Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming looks. In amazing designs, you will be also practice things in a different videos of crochet flowers. Crochet flowers are trendy videos in all Pakistans are different types of things, different types of videos, also attractive things. You will be amazing videos, amazing designs, keep me attractive and sharing a good things. Good newly members are beautiful ideas in a beautiful most demanding videos, most elegant videos. You will be amazing videos and different amazing videos, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a fantastic charming looks. Keep more attractive and sharing our good things, good newly members. And different stunning videos, different perfectly videos, ideas, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a charming looks. I have shared with newly designed, newly articles, colors combinations, color scheme, also attractive and beautiful ideas, and most demanding videos, most attractive designs. You will be amazing and attractive things in attractive design. I have shared with you and different amazing videos, ideas. So I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be newly members. You will be also attractive videos and also charming look. You will be amazing videos. And different amazing and attractive things in a different types of videos. So let's go, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine today.